Hi, I'm Livia, and welcome back to our series. This is not a diet, it's a way of eating. This is video 2 of module 3. Today we're going to talk about a topic that causes a lot of confusion: raw food versus cooked food. When people hear about the power of living foods, they often ask, do I have to eat 100% raw to be healthy? The short answer is no. While raw, living food is the ultimate source of vitality, a healthy, sustainable lifestyle is about balance. So what exactly are living foods? They are foods in their natural uncooked state, bursting with active enzymes and high water content, which are crucial for digestion and cellular health. But being healthy isn't about rigid rules. It's about knowing how to cook, not just what to cook. There is a massive difference between cooking a fresh vegetable and heating up a processed product. When you lightly steam a fresh zucchini, it still retains much of its natural goodness and life force. But when you boil dry pasta or heat up a canned meal, you're eating something that has been heavily processed, preserved, and completely stripped of life long before it even reached your kitchen. Our goal is to cook from living plants, not from boxes. If you're going to cook, the method matters immensely. The absolute best way to cook vegetables is steaming. It's gentle, it's quick, and it preserves the most nutrients. The golden rule is, cook as briefly as possible. Your vegetables should keep their bright color and a slight crunch. For example, zucchini only needs 3 to 5 minutes. Broccoli florets are perfect after 4 to 6 minutes. And thin sliced carrots are tender in just 3 to 4 minutes. You're aiming for fork tender, not mushy. And please avoid the microwave entirely. It violently shakes the water molecules in your food, destroying its delicate cellular structure and nutrients. It's not about perfection. It's about building simple habits that support your body over time. Here is one of the most powerful concepts in this entire program: the half-living salad. It's a simple, beautiful way to combine the benefits of both raw and cooked foods in a single, satisfying meal. The first step is to fill your bowl with at least 60% fresh, raw leafy greens. This forms your living base. Then, for the remaining 40%, add your warm, cooked toppings. Think steamed chickpeas, roasted sweet potatoes, or lightly sautéed vegetables. The living enzymes in the raw greens will actually help your body digest the cooked portion. It's the perfect balance of raw vitality and warm comfort. Want to instantly upgrade any cooked meal? Add fresh herbs. They are nutritional powerhouses. But here is the secret: never cook them. High heat destroys their delicate enzymes and vitamins. Wait until your food is on the plate and has cooled down slightly, below 42 degrees Celsius, then add a handful of fresh herbs. Try pairing basil with tomatoes, cilantro with chickpeas, or parsley with potatoes. You are literally sprinkling life, enzymes, and alkalinity back into your cooked meal, enhancing both flavor and nutrition. So remember, you don't have to be 100% raw to feel vibrant and alive. Just focus on cooking from fresh plants. Cook them briefly to preserve nutrients. Use the 60% rule for your salads and always finish with fresh herbs. In our next video, we'll explore the incredible power of sprouting, how to turn a dry, dormant seed into a living superfood right in your own kitchen. It's easier than you think, and the results can transform the way you eat and feel. You will discover a simple habit that can boost your energy, support your health, and bring fresh life to your meals. So remember, you don't have to be 100% raw. Just focus on cooking from fresh plants, cook them briefly, use the 60% rule for your salads, and always finish with fresh herbs. Thank you for watching, and keep the life within you alive.